Hello, and in this INVAR WMS online session I'm going to show you how to transfer stock. Stock is either held in a movable container like a tote or in a static location like a shelf. You transfer stock between touch points such as container to container, container to location, location to container and location to location. It's not to be confused with relocating containers, because in that situation the stock remains in the container. The safest way to transfer stock is using the INVAR mobile solution, because it's validated as it happens by scanning the source, article and destination. In this example I'm going to transfer the stock record here of 2211, which is currently in the R001 goods in bay. Now, I can either transfer all of that stock, or I can reduce the quantity, but I can't exceed what is held within the stock record. I'm going to take all of the stock, got destination, confirm. Let's just refresh the manage stock screen. And you can see that the new location where the stock has been transferred to is there, and all of the stock detail, including the status, receipt and rotation date, have all been retained. If we quickly look into the event viewer and click search, you can see that the move has been audited. You may decide that you want to consolidate all stock into a single location or container, and in this example, using the Manage Stock screen, I've retrieved all occurrences of an article 1101 with a rotation date of the 12th of May. What I'm going to do now is just select all, click transfer. The stock is consolidated into a list which can be made visible by clicking on the arrowhead, and the destination I'm going to put the stock into is this. I'm going to refresh stock. You will notice that the INVAR WMS preserves the stock records as originally created and doesn't try to consolidate that stock into the single entry. But we can see that it's transferred logically into that location. Quickly search the event viewer, and there are two journal entries showing the transfer from the container to the location and from location to location. Now you may want to export this into Excel and print it out and use it as an instruction for that work to be completed, because at the moment all you've done is updated the system. Physically that stock may not have moved. And finally we have a drag and drop offering. I'm going to just use that location which we had the stock in before. I'm going to come up with a new destination, and you can select one or more of the records and either click transfer stock or just drag it on and click save. So whenever you use this functionality, you need to ensure that the physical and the logical situation are in alignment, or you will create problems when finding your stock. So that's it for this INVAR WMS online session.